today we're going to talk about a really simple idea, which you really need to understand before you get started, and that's the difference between options and stocks. So people often don't know what the difference is between the two. I'm going to explain it to you today. So when you buy a share of stock, you're actually buying a share of ownership in the company, a public company. So if the company does well, the stock should rise in value and you make money.
I like the sound of that.
So traditionally, stocks are good long-term investments. Since the like the last 100 years, they've been returning an average of 7 to 9% a year. That's a really good return. So they're easy to understand. Companies like Apple sells a lot of iPhones, makes a lot of money. You own Apple stock, you make money buying Apple stock. Very simple to buy. So options, on the other hand, they're a little more complicated. When you buy an option, you're entering a contract. So you're not really owning the share of the stock. You're owning the right to speculate on the direction of the share of the stock. Okay. So traders use options to speculate about the future direction of asset prices. So if you're expecting shares to go up, you buy a call option. If you're expecting the shares to go down, you buy a put option. Trading options is a higher risk but higher reward opportunity than stocks because one, you don't have as much money involved in buying an option as you do in a stock. So if the price of the stock goes up and you own an option on a stock, that option can go to the moon. But the risk is options have a preset expiration date. Unlike a stock, an option expires. So if you buy an option that expires a month from now, you better get that move in a month from now. Otherwise, that option is going to go to zero, whereas the stockholder, he can hold the stock forever for that move, okay? Forever. So there's a big difference. So an option contract becomes worthless after the expiration date. This is why options trading is considered riskier than trading stocks. It requires a lot more attention and research. But the reward, if you speculate correctly on option trade, can be huge. So bottom line, if you're thinking about purchasing options but don't know where to start, you'll find the answers in the free trading manual. Just click on that link below. I'm Karim Rahimtullah for Trade Talk Tuesday.